Hello YouTube, on Monday the 16th of May at here. New week, also a new chart layout. This is the chart system I'm going to use for the time being. I hope you're getting used to it. I will do a longer video over the next weekend, over the coming weekend, and explain more about this charting technique. It's a combination of market structure, supply and demand, liquidity. You might call it smart money concepts. I don't know if that's the correct word for it, but let's take a look. And at the end of the video, it will be a bit longer than 3 minutes. I will also show you the my older system, just to show that how these align and how it would look on my older charts. For now, going with this chart on the weekly, we do have the wrong color. Let's go to for black, and like this. We do have a, why is it not doing what I want? Yeah. We have a weekly swing high around 69, swing low last week built on 27, 26 more or less. It's also what I was expecting last week. We did break below the lows in summer 2021. For now, I do think it's a liquidity grab, and we do see some relief bounce to the upside. But on the longer term, I highly doubt if it will hold. As soon as we break below this line, then we do get a break out of the structure, and expecting more downside. So this is basically the range we are playing now on the weekly. On the daily, we do have the range from 48 to 27, 26. And here also still lower highs and lower lows, so we need to break the structure to the upside, which is far from here, because this is on the daily. It's not, this is so weird. On the daily, this is kind of the, you see, I click the ball, the icon for a ball, and then it gives me a cross. Very weird. Anyways, this is swing high on the daily. The range here is 26, 27 to 48, and lots of upside, but also threat to the downside. When I here is my icon. That one should be deleted. Sorry, I need this one. Yes. Okay, so on the 4 hour, I do have a swing low at 32,000, and we are bouncing. This is, to me, a corrective bounce. We have a possible target at that demand zone, supply zone at the 1 hour chart around 34,000. On the 1 hour, we can see that we broke out of the structure. So we do have this as a swing low. We broke this previous 1 hour swing high and printed here a higher low. And after a break out of the structure, you can expect a pullback, which happened. We printed again a higher low and moved up. I do believe, however, that the sudden squeeze last night was a liquidity grab. So maybe this should be with a cross liquidity grab coming down. We tipped just below this area, and we are bouncing again. In Elliott wave terms, I would go for the idea that we are doing a flat correction and go up again, or maybe already from here, and that we just have this move A, B, C, where we are in the B leg, or just finish the B leg and now make the C leg in that smaller pattern. So yeah, looks like we already have a low in here. This is on the 50-minute chart. This is the swing high, which caused the move to the downside, where we are printing a new swing low. This is my range. If I do see any significant pullback here, then I will look for upside. I was looking on the 50-minute for this demand zone, more or less like here, to look for an entry from this level, which is 92,300 to 29,500, more or less. If I will get it, then I will go long. Otherwise, I have to wait a little bit longer, a bit more confirmation on the higher time frame that we are printing somewhere here. Well, on the I'm now on the 5-minute, but on the 15-minute we might be doing like this, a higher low again, and then look for an entry. Switching to my old charts, and don't get scared, but it's in black. This is the Elliott wave chart, where I do think we might be, well, the risk is that we are doing a bit of a relief bounce and then down again and make this move A, B, C, where we are now doing, we did have here A, B, C, and that could even, I don't think this is up to date. I didn't chart a lot last week, but it could even go a bit lower. Therefore, for that scenario, I am looking at the same ABC I showed you before, ABC. Given this bounce, but it might vary on other exchanges, because some exchanges had the Tether disconnection last week, a DPEG, and then had a much bigger move to the downside. But this ABC looks to me as a good one, which would even go a bit higher than what I showed you in my first chart. But that ABC, I think, is has still a good chance to play out, as long as we do not break below this B. If we break below B, this is still also a possibility, and then you need to watch what happens here. If we break below B, so the low from the 14th, which was on Saturday, if we break below, then you watch, do we get, now let me clean this up. If we break below, do we get a bearish retest and down, or do we break back above and continue to make that move, and that would be your long. That's it for now, guys. I hope you like the white chart. If so, please let me know, and if you don't like, also let me know, but I won't care. So way over 3 minutes, 8 minutes meanwhile, more than enough for today, and I want to thank you for watching and wish you a very nice day. Bye bye.